How to install LiveChat on PrestaShop. PrestaShop, add LiveChat to your store and close more sales in a process, by enriching your PrestaShop with a powerful customer service tool, LiveChat. Note, LiveChat plugin works with PrestaShop 1.6.x and 1.7.x1. First, click here to download LiveChat plugin for PrestaShop. Now, log into your PrestaShop's administration panel and go to Modules section. 2. There, click on the Upload a Module button, available at the top right section of Modules. 3. You will see Upload a Module pop up. There, drag and drop the downloaded plugin onto designated area and PrestaShop will take care of the installation. 4. After successful installation, you will see a module installed screen. Click on Configure to proceed. 5. Now, provide your LiveChat's email address and click on Connect LiveChat. 6. Done. LiveChat is now linked with your PrestaShop. Now, if you want, you can enable/disable some of the plugin functions. To do that, simply toggle them on/off and you are good to go.